and then a little turmeric. Just see that the turmeric doesn't get burnt. Just saute it a little. Add in the boiled potatoes, diced boiled potatoes. Give it a nice mix. It just takes about 5 to 6 minutes to finish cooking your sabji, as the potatoes are already boiled. Now I just put in a little salt as per taste. Just mix it nicely. You see the nice yellow color. Here you can just add a little bit of coriander. Mix it well. Just cook it for a few seconds maybe. It's already almost done. Keep it for a few seconds. And that's it. Your sabji is done. Just pour it in a bowl. Garnish it with some more coriander leaves. And eat healthy, stay home, and enjoy the aloo sabji. You can eat this with some nice hot dal and rice.